Kevin Durant as a kid, even though he's white. That was terrible. Give us the fire. You really scared us there. You just don't want to shoot because you know you're going to miss and then embarrass yourself on camera. Okay, now shoot a little farther. Uh-huh. 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 You want to see the real? You want to see the real, Katie?
They don't want to see you suck.
Here, take the camera. I'll show you the real Katie.
Did it stop recording?
Nope.
Alright, everyone wants to dunk like Katie.
Why are we using this one first of all?
Excuse me?
Excuse me? That was the like, wall. Oh my god. Oh, that was good.
Okay, this is Blake Griffin in training. You make
You
it.
missed it.
I know.
You missed it.
I turned the camera at my face.
Let's go. Keep. Not done yet.
Oh, you can't tell me nothing.